is in there, right? Got Young Wolf in the shop. Help me drop this big block in here. Look at that big block. It's that big block. Not the prettiest engine, but shit, that 351. That 351 wins. She crushed it. Woo-wee. Get the job done. They got all the wheels on her now. Motor mounts in. Looking all right. She's looking all right. Looks like we might make our deadline. Might. See, it's only Sunday. We got 6 more days. Good luck. It's in there, right? Okay, the 351 it's a little tight in there. It's a little tight. We lost a little bit of ATF, but it's a little snug in that motherfucker. But hey, you got a heart again. Boy. A little speechless at what just happened, but it's in there.